Good afternoon viewers, welcome back again to another video. I hope you guys are doing well and staying healthy at home during this pandemic. And in this video we are going to be upgrading the fog lamps for this Mazda CX-5. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are going to be replacing the fog lamps with this Philips Essential Gen 2, Ultinon Essential Gen 2 for the Mazda CX-5, as you guys can see right here, the box. And the color should be at around 6500 Kelvin, and this one uses 24 watt. Let's unbox this quickly. Oh, this version has fans on the heatsink itself. Looks very good to me. Should be very easy to install. Okay, as you guys can see right in front of me, it is the fog lamp right here. To gain access for the bulb, you have to crawl down underneath the vehicle, and there's a splash guard covering it. It is secured with just clips that you have to unclip, so that way you'll be able to reach and take out the OEM bulb. Let's do that. One more in here. Okay, once you're happy with this side, you can go ahead and do the other side.